Sacrifice is an essential element for success in life. Sacrificing our own gains for others leads to greater fulfillment and profound happiness. There are two kinds of sacrifice: short-term sacrifice and long-term sacrifice. Short-term sacrifice involves giving up something you want right now in order to achieve a greater goal, while long-term sacrifice involves giving up something you want for an extended period of time. Sacrifice yields eternal rewards and helps to bring salvation. It also changes us by stretching our faith and our mind. Sacrifice separates us from worldly attachment and becomes decisive in the formation of our personality. Sacrifice leads us to live a life of humility and helps us to be rescued. So in this video, we are going to discuss sacrifices you should these things in your life and you will never be poor again. The video is going to be amazing. Make sure to stick till the end. Now before we get into this video, make sure to hit that subscribe button and leave a comment below saying I subscribed. I will try my best to reply to as many comments as possible. Material possessions. True wealth is not about material possessions, but rather about financial security and freedom. People who are obsessed with material possessions are often in debt and have little money left over to save or invest. On the other hand, people who focus on building their assets are more likely to become wealthy over time. As Robert Kiyosaki once said, "Rich people buy luxuries last, while poor people buy luxuries first." This means that rich people focus on investing their money and building their assets first, and then they buy luxuries later when they can afford them. Poor people, on the other hand, often spend their money on luxuries before they have even saved up enough money to cover their basic needs. This is a recipe for financial disaster. If you want to become wealthy, focus on building your assets first and then buying luxuries later. Stop using social media and TV. It is easy to sit in front of the TV for hours or scroll through social media for hours on end because it is entertaining. However, real life is often difficult and challenging. If you want to be wealthy, you need to be willing to take action and do difficult things. This means that you need to spend less time on entertainment and more time on activities that will help you achieve your goals. You don't have to delete all of your social media accounts, but you should cut back on your usage. Instead of spending hours on social media, spend that time working on your business or learning new skills. If you are willing to make sacrifices and put in the hard work, you can achieve financial success. Comfort. Becoming rich is not a comfortable journey. It requires taking risks and stepping outside of your comfort zone. You will also need to be prepared to deal with setbacks and failures. There will be times when you feel like giving up. There will be times when you think you're not good enough. There will be times when you want to quit. But if you keep going, if you keep pushing, if you keep taking risks, you will eventually succeed. Success is not guaranteed, but it is possible. And if you're willing to put in the work, it's possible for you to become rich. So don't give up. Don't stop believing in yourself. Don't stop taking risks. And never stop chasing your dreams. Fear. Fear is a natural human emotion that can be both helpful and harmful. It can help us to avoid danger, but it can also prevent us from taking risks and achieving our goals. Fear of failure is a common obstacle to success. If you are afraid of failing, you may be less likely to take risks or try new things. This can hold you back from achieving your full potential. It is important to remember that everyone fails at some point. Failure is a part of life and learning. It is how we grow and improve. If you are afraid of failure, you need to face your fears and take action. The only way to overcome your fear is to experience it. The more you take risks, the less afraid you will become. You may even find that you enjoy taking risks and trying new things. Remember, failure is not the end of the world. It is just a step on the path to success. Excuses. There will always be excuses not to achieve your goals. Don't let them stop you. Nobody will actually offer you success on a silver platter. That much is true. Roll up your sleeves. Get to work, and be prepared to make some sacrifices if you want to realize your ambitions. So stop blaming others and concentrate on what you can change. You may open up a world of opportunities and achieve things you never imagined were possible by taking ownership of your life. It is easy to make excuses for not achieving your goals. You might say that you don't have enough time, money, or resources. You might say that you're not smart enough, or that you're not good enough. But these are all just excuses. The truth is, if you really want to achieve your goals, you can find a way to make it happen. There will always be challenges along the way, but if you're willing to work hard and persevere, you can overcome any obstacle. So don't give up on your dreams. Don't let excuses stop you from achieving your goals. Take ownership of your life and make things happen. Negative people. It is important to surround yourself with positive people who believe in you and your dreams. Negative people will only bring you down and make it harder to achieve your goals. Positive people will encourage you and support you, and they will help you to see the good in every situation. They will also help you to stay motivated when things get tough. Negative people, on the other hand, will always find a way to bring you down. They will tell you that you can't do it or that your dreams are too unrealistic. They will make you feel like you're not good enough, and they will make it harder for you to believe in yourself. If you want to be successful, it is important to surround yourself with positive people who will support you and help you to achieve your goals. Try to read. I understand that books may not seem like the most exciting things in the world, but trust me when I say that they are worth your time. If you want to achieve financial independence, you need to take advice from people who have already done it. There are many books written by successful entrepreneurs and investors that can teach you the skills and strategies you need to achieve your financial goals. Don't belittle books because they could have a profound impact on your life. Books can help you in many ways, such as teaching you new skills and knowledge, developing your critical thinking skills, improving your writing skills, improving your communication skills, increasing your empathy, making you more open-minded, boosting your creativity, relieving stress and anxiety, improving your sleep quality, promoting a longer, healthier life. So, if you're looking to improve your life, I encourage you to pick up a book. You may be surprised at how much you can learn and how much it can help you. Self-doubt. Everyone has self-doubt. It is a natural human emotion that can be triggered by a variety of factors, such as failure, criticism, or simply feeling like we are not good enough. However, self-doubt can also be a powerful motivator. It can push us to work harder and achieve more than we ever thought possible. The key is to not let self-doubt control us. We need to learn to accept it as a normal part of life and then move on. We need to believe in ourselves and our ability to succeed. We need to remember that everyone makes mistakes and that failure is a part of the learning process. We need to focus on our strengths and on what we are capable of achieving. And most importantly, we need to never give up on our dreams. Upgrade your circle. The company you keep can have a significant impact on your own ambitions. If you surround yourself with people who are content with the status quo, it will be difficult for you to develop your own ambitions. On the other hand, if you associate with people who are always striving to improve themselves and achieve their goals, you will be more likely to do the same. So, if you're looking to become more ambitious, it's time to broaden your social circle and start associating with people who share your goals. There is no easy way to become rich. If you want to achieve your goals, you need to be willing to work hard and make sacrifices. Let us know your opinion in the comment section below. This was all for today. Hope you liked the video. Subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for more interesting videos. Stay safe, and we will be back soon with another video.